Passive and Bioclimatic Single-Family Homes in Santiago de la Ribera by Ecoproyecta in San Javier, Spain. The House of Corners, Designing Passive and Bioclimatic Architecture. This project celebrates sustainability and energy efficiency in a versatile home with multiple spaces for various uses. Designed for a couple with a child, this dwelling faces the challenge of a north-facing orientation on its longer side and a facade that opens to the west. The goal is to create a comfortable, healthy, and low-energy living space, making the most of every detail both indoors and outdoors. The challenge of a north-facing plot. In our Mercian region, the ideal orientation for homes is south or southeast. However, this plot required a north-facing orientation, a challenge that we overcame through bioclimatic design. The strategy was to position living spaces towards the east, living room and kitchen, and to organize the layout with nooks and crannies that create unique thermal and lighting conditions. We also utilized the rooftops to support garden terraces and added skylights where increased natural light was needed. Interior and exterior connection, the essence of Mediterranean architecture. In the Mediterranean, we have traditionally blended interior and exterior spaces, taking advantage of our mild climate. The House of Corners follows this philosophy by generating cozy indoor spaces that seamlessly extend to the outdoors through generous windows. The living room and kitchen connect to two east-facing terraces, bright and warm. The study and hallway lead to the north-facing terrace, cooler during the summer, and the bedrooms open onto garden terraces. Bioclimatic strategies for energy efficiency. The primary goal is to maintain a comfortable indoor environment with low energy consumption. We've implemented bioclimatic strategies that enable the house to function passively for most of the year. The main approach has been the overall organization of the house, considering orientation and the outdoors, as previously explained. But there are other strategies, green roofs that not only reintroduce green areas but also act as thermal insulation. The earthenware pitcher effect, for cooling in the summer, using drip irrigation on the rooftop. Wooden carpentry and efficient glass. Sun protection through Mallorcan-style shutters. Skylights to increase natural light. Sustainable materials for healthy environments. At Ecoproyecta, we advocate for natural materials whenever possible. The House of Corners is constructed with natural thermal insulation, such as cork and mineral paints. Every detail reflects our quest for healthy and sustainable environments. Landscaping and water management, nature in every corner. The garden, designed by landscaper Paloma Ferrer, becomes another essential component. Native species create a fresh and healthy Mediterranean atmosphere, interacting with the architecture and providing shade or a play area in every space. Water for irrigation comes from a reservoir that collects rainwater from the roofs, crucial in a low precipitation area where this resource is scarce.